students, in last video we already completed the chapter electrostatics. In last video we completed the chapter electrostatics. In this video we will study the 11th chapter magnetic material. In 11th standard we have already studied the what is the dipoles, then magnetic moment and the magnetic properties. In this video we will study the magnetic moment of an electron revolving around the nucleus of an atom. In from some part some part is deleted from these chapters, some part is deleted from this chapter. So remaining point we will study here. Then the remaining point, the first point of this remaining point is the magnetic moment of an electron revolving around the nucleus of an atom. This is the electron which is revolving around the positively charged nucleus. Here is the nucleus and this is the electron. These electrons moves around the positively charged nucleus. This is the direction. These electrons moves around the positively charged nucleus. When consider these electrons moves in a constant speed v in unit time, then it covers, if these electrons covers a distance 2 pi r in unit time, means orbital speed, means this speed is when these electrons covers a distance 2 pi r, means the electron covers total distance 2 pi r in unit time, then this is the value of this speed. Orbital speed v is equal to 2 pi r t. When this electron moves in a circular round, then it acquires a current, and this is this current which is associated with the charge E. Then the value of this I is equal to E upon T. But here T means we know that the T means time, which is value is equal to 2 pi upon W. Here W means the angular velocity, and the formula for this angular velocity is equal to V upon R. The value of this angular velocity omega is equal to V upon R. V means linear velocity, R means distance, means when this electron moves in a circular orbit at a distance of r from this nucleus. This is the r, v is the linear speed, omega is the angular speed, and here substituting this omega in this equation, then equation becomes 2 pi, omega value is equal to v upon r, substitute omega upon r, and r goes upwards, means t is equal to 2 pi r upon v. T is equal to 2 pi r upon v. This t means we substitute this t in this equation, current equation, then I is equal to E, then t is equal to 2 pi r. This v goes upwards, means I is equal to, current equation is equal to E v upon 2 pi r. This is the equation 1. Then these electrons associated with the orbital magnetic moment. This orbital magnetic moment. These equations orbital magnetic associated with this current associated with orbital magnetic moment, and the symbol for this orbital magnetic moment is m0, and this magnetic moment, it is the product of current and area, means orbital magnetic moment, it is the product of current and area. We know that from equation 1, here is the value of I value is equal to EV upon 2 pi r, and when this electron move in circular orbit, its area of this circular orbit is pi r square. Then we here pi get cancel, 1 r cancel, remaining is r. Then this magnetic moment m0 is equal to EVR upon 2. This is the magnetic moment, and this electron also means this electron which also contains angular orbital angular momentum. Orbital angular momentum, and symbol for this orbital angular momentum is L, and by this definition of this orbital angular momentum is MeV into R, where Me means mass of electron. Me means mass of electron. Mass of electron, V means speed, and R means distance. M means it is the product of mass of electron, velocity and radius. V gives after it is the product of mass of electron, velocity and R. Means this electron which is associated with magnetic moment as well as orbital angular moment, and angular moment which is the symbol of this angular moment is L. Then L is equal to MeV into R. Me is called as the mass of electron. This is the equation 2. Then rearranging means divide and multiplied Me, means this equation multiplied by means this M0 multiplied E, 2Me multiplied and divide mass of electrons means MeV into R. Here is the multiplied and divided by the Me, mass of electrons, means this equation becomes M0 E is equal to 2Me multiplied by L. Multiplied by L means this is the value of MEVR, means this value is this is the value of the angular momentum. Substitute this L, and this is E upon 2Me. This ratio is called as the gyrometric ratio. Gyrometric ratio. This ratio is called as E upon 2Me. E means charge, Me means mass of electrons, and this ratio is called as the gyrometric ratio. Gyrometric ratio. Then means angular, this means magnetic moment, orbital magnetic moment, which is directly proportional to the orbital angular moment. Here is the relation between this, means M0 is directly proportional to L. When the electrons bears a negative charge, then the M0 value is equal to minus E 2Me into L. When the electron bears negative, then the value is, if these electrons revolve around the nucleus, then the angular momentum, this is the equation number 3, and the electrons revolve around the nucleus, then the angular momentum L is equal to angular momentum equation is integral multiple, means L value, we know that L value is equal to MEV into R, and this, when these electrons revolve around the nucleus, it is the value of the integral multiple of NH upon 2 pi. This equation means according to the second postulate of Bohr's theory. According to the second postulate of Bohr's theory, when the electrons revolve around the nucleus, then the angular momentum, which is equal to the NH upon 2 pi, where N is the number of orbit, H means Planck's constants, and 2 pi, which is the constant term. Here, substituting this value in this equation means substitute L in equation 3. Substitute L in equation 3. The equation becomes M0 is equal to minus E 2Me. N is equal to NH upon 2 pi. NH upon 2 pi means plus sign is there when the electron bears a negative charge, and if there is no negative charge, then magnetic moment is E upon 2Me into NH upon 2 pi. Then if the first orbit, for the equation of the first orbit, N is equal to 1, then magnetic moment M0 is equal to EH 2 get 4 Me pi. This is the equation of the magnetic moment when the electrons revolve around the nucleus. And this ratio means this value EH upon 4 pi me. This value is called as the orbital Bohr magneton. This value is called as Bohr magneton, and value of this Bohr magneton, this value is equal to 9.274 into 10 raised to minus 24 am square. Means this Bohr magneton value is equal to, this value is equal to 9.274 into 10 raised to minus 24 am square. Means in this video we calculate here the magnetic moment. For this we first calculate current. Current value is equal to EV into upon 2 pi r. Then when the electrons move in circular orbit, it consists of orbital magnetic moment and the angular moment. First here we calculate the magnetic moment. The magnetic moment m0 I into a, substituting values m0 get EVR upon 2. Then here we know the angular momentum. Formula for this angular momentum, L is equal to MEP into R. Then rearranging this term, we get the substituting L value. After substituting L value, we get the M0 is equal to E upon 2me into L. Means when these electrons revolve around the nucleus, it is the angular momentum which is equal to the nh upon 2 pi. Means this is the value according to the second postulate of the Bohr's theory. From this we get when the angular momentum, which is the integral multiple of nh upon 2 pi. H is Planck's constant. After means here we substituting in place of L nh upon 2 pi. Then here we get the magnetic moment EH upon 4me into pi. Then this is, and this value is called as the Bohr magneton, and this value is equal to 9.74 into minus 24 into am square. Then next video we studied the magnetization and magnetic intensity. Thank you.